Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a little roll that I did that made me another like a 710 bucks for rolling out about 2 weeks. And this is pretty much what I do all the time, depending on the appreciation that's happening in the market. Mostly some news, some fundamentals, and sometimes I don't even look at that much technical analysis because um, you don't really need to as much doing the wheel strategy. And that's what I teach here. I teach the wheel strategy. And again, I'm a nurse with a seven-figure portfolio of not just stocks, it's also crypto, real estate, and other stuff. But my whole thing is like patient education. That's what nurses do, right? So what I want to do is treat you guys and educate you guys on what I do. So let's jump right into my desktop so we could go into everything here. Let me I'm not in my office, so let me do this and see if what brings brought up. Okay, perfect. So this is what we have. Tesla is currently at $413, and my first position that I made is over here. And let me put that like that so everything's perfect. So my first thing was I was assigned 100 shares for a cash secured put last week. So I bought 100 shares of Tesla at 400 bucks. And then I also sold a covered call and I got paid $791 for it, right? So that's $791. And this is to expire tomorrow at the time of recording, so Friday the 17th. And because at the time Tesla went up to close to 416, 417, I was like, you know what? I bought at 400. Let's try to capture some appreciation as well. And I usually go 2 weeks to a month out, nothing longer than that. So I decided to roll, which is buying to close and selling to open. So I bought to close my 400 strike for this Friday. So I had to quote unquote pay 1,760 bucks, but then I immediately sold a covered call against it at a strike price of 420 for January 31st, and that paid me 2,469. So you just do the difference of that, and that equals about 710 bucks that of premium. So I got paid that. So overall, from this week all the way till the 31st, which is about 2.5 weeks from now, I made $1,500. So 791 plus 710. And if Tesla goes up to 420 bucks on January 31st at 4 p.m., I'll end up selling it. I probably won't roll it again. And I'll collect the $20 per share. So it's 20 times 100, and that gives you another 2,000 bucks. And so there's potential. So I already made 1,500, and now there is potential to come away with $3,500 on January 31st at 4 p.m. And that's the beauty of the wheel strategy. Yes, you're gonna do taxable events and realize some gains, but the whole point is to take some money off the table as well. Keep the risk off. I'd rather pay taxes knowing that I made money and that the money is in my account than hypotheticals and pushing and kicking the can further down the road. So this is exactly what I do. Like if I feel that there's more potential upside, I'll most likely roll. But if I feel like I kind of just want to get out of a play and see what's coming up, I will let it expire, hopefully worthless, or end up selling the shares or having to buy it, whatever side I'm on, and keep it moving from there. The whole point is to build the portfolio slowly, quote unquote, passively, and me being in full control of it. Yeah, there are like ways to do this faster, like leaps or buying options to like really explode the portfolio super quick, but there is a lot of risk that goes along with it. At least with the wheel strategy, you pretty much, like in my opinion, you control 90% of what happens, and you get to choose what happens if certain things don't go your way. So this is what I like to teach. This is exactly what I like to do. And this has built my portfolio to where it is today. And you probably saw like a glimpse of what my portfolio kind of looked like. It's sitting at right under 180, and I want to get this portfolio to around 250,000, hopefully by the end of this year, so 2025, and that's the plan. So if you guys like what you see here, if you like me going over what I'm doing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the links down below. I pretty much teach it in PDF form, which is a one-time $5, and it gives you everything you need to know to do exactly what I do. Or you could do the one-on-one, not really a one-on-one coaching, but you do the course and then you get a one-on-one coaching call with me, so I could go over anything you may need to know, or if you any questions that you want to go over, or you jump into the Discord and pick my brain, and that's really it. And that sadly has a paywall because a lot of people tried scamming people and pretending to be me, so I didn't want to put out a public link out there. So let me know what you guys want to do, and I appreciate everyone that watches these videos because I like teaching this. I want to see everyone make more money, so let's get rich together, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.